Welcome to SalesCaptain Tutorials. Today we will learn how to connect your Helcim account to SalesCaptain with this easy-to-follow guide. By following these instructions, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your payment processing systems and streamline your business operations. Click on the Payments button. If you're new to Helcim, please click on the pop-up to go to Helcim and review your personalized rates. If you've already registered with Helcim and have an active account, please click the Connect button. Once you see this page, please open Helcim in a different tab and log in using your credentials. Click on the All Tools button. Select Integrations. Click on the New API Access button. Select the name field and input transaction key as the value. Choose the value for access restriction as demonstrated in the video. Click on the Create button. Copy the token. Paste the token in the Transaction Token field. Input your company's name in the Username tab. Return to Helcim and click the Back button. Click on the New API Access button. Select the name field and input refund key as the value. Choose the value for access restriction as demonstrated in the video. Click on the Create button. Copy the token. Paste the token in the Refund Token field. Choose the Proceed button, and SalesCaptain will link to your Helcim account. If you encounter any errors, please contact SalesCaptain support for further assistance. This guide covered the step-by-step process of connecting your Helcim account to SalesCaptain. By following these instructions, you can ensure a smooth integration of your payment processing systems, allowing you to manage your business more efficiently.